In this lesson, we are going to identify the missing number from an equation. You can probably use guessing and checking today, but in the next lesson, we're going to learn some strategies that will help if we have integers, fractions, or decimals. All right, so for this first example here, we have a person and they really want this football, which is $15. They currently have $10. So how much more money do they need to have $15 to buy that football? Well, you can guess and check. You could also start from 10 and just count up. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. If I'm using my fingers, that was 5 fingers. So they need $5 more. So that missing number right here would be the number 5. All right, for this next one here, we have a balance or a scale. And these are not equal. There used to be 10 squares over here, but we took some away. And now there is 6. How many did we take away? So we can either guess and check, or what we could do is we could count up and add those back on until we get to 10. So I'm actually going to start at 6 and I'm going to count up. 7, 8, 9, 10. That was 4 fingers. So this missing number is 4. I'm going to double check that. If I start at 10 and I count backwards 4 times, 9, 8, 7, 6. Ooh, perfect. I do end up at the number 6. So this missing number is 4. All right, here's a few more. 5 plus what is 10? 5 plus 5 is 10. What plus 7 is 12? Well, if we have, let's say, 2 plus 3, which is 5, that's the same as 3 plus 2. So I could start with this 7 here and say 7 plus how many more is 12? So I'm going to count up. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That was 5 fingers. So 5 plus 7 is 12. All right, subtraction. 15 minus what number is 10? I can start at 15 and I can count backwards until I get to 10. And I'm going to just keep track of how many times I count backwards. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. That was 5 times. This is kind of strange that all of these are 5 so far. This was not planned. All right, what number minus 4 is 8? So if I have something and I take 4 away, I have 8, so it has to be bigger than 8. I could also take this 8 and add on the 4 to figure out what I started with. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. All right, so 12 minus 4 is 8. All right, next one. 4 times something is 12. Ooh, that's 3. 4, 8, 12. So I can skip count by 4 3 times, and I have 12. What times 8 is 48? Ooh, I know that one because of the rhyme. 6 and 8 went on a date, and the total was 48. All right, 18 divided by what is 3? Division is so hard. I'm going to turn this into a multiplication problem. 3 times what number is 18? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Ooh, 6. All right, and what number divided by 5 is 7? Again, I can go in reverse and I could multiply 7 times 5 to get my answer. That is 35. And I'm going to make that text box bigger, or not. There we go. All right, so 35 divided by 5 is 7.